Robbie, where to start? I still remember that day at the phone booth when I was crying because I had lost someone I loved. He gently kissed my cheek and said everything will be okay.
You don't have to say a single word.
They say the best relationships begin with friendship, and we are one of the best example of that.
And always find a way to love me.
Lagi kong iisipin na ikaw na yung priority ko sa lahat ng bagay. Lahat ng desisyon ko, lagi kong i-make sure na kasama ka, intindihin ka sa lahat ng problems na harapin natin.
Like a choir of saints. You don't need to ride like one of the plays. You don't need to.
We have proven that our friendship is the strongest foundation of our relationship. Hi Tito B, here's a small gift for you. Hope magustuhan mo. Deserve na deserve mo to. See you at the altar. I love you. Soon to be Mrs.
Wish you could see yourself right now from where
I didn't think much of it then, but 13 years later, here you are still keeping that promise, not just as a friend, but as a the man I'm choosing for the rest of my life.
It's not about how perfect we can make the picture.
Thank you!
Picture perfect.
Hello, Tita D. Hope you will like this bracelet as a remembrance of my love and affection. I'm not too sure if a gold shine fades over time, but my love for you will never fade. Love it.
Don't need to dance like David danced.
Congratulations, anak, and best wishes. Ang wish ko, happy life forever. Together with your wife, Dana.
You love me like only you can.
Kamusta ka?
Okay naman.
Ano, nafe-feel mo? Malapit na yung wedding.
Okay, makinakabahan. So,
More on excited, hindi naman kinakabahan. Kasi hindi naman ako magsasayaw.
hindi kasi baka mandapa ako eh.
Life like it changed mine. It's not about how perfect we can make the picture.
We truly have a beautiful love story to tell. And we are only getting started. We may not be a perfect couple, but I'm well damn sure that we are perfect for each other.
Choir of saints.
Mahalan at maging maganda ang kanilang pagsasama.
Mabiyaya ko kayo. Good.
I promise to stand by your side through the highs and the lows, the quiet moments and the loud ones, the easy days and the hard ones. Together we will build a life full of love, laughter, adventures, big and small.
Love me like only you can. You don't need to be anything to anyone but
So as we continue this journey together, let's keep God at the center of our relationship, guiding us, strengthening us, and blessing the love that we share. Cheers to waking up every morning as husband and wife, as Mr. and Mrs. Mendiola. Tulad ng lagi kong sinasabi sa'yo, ako yung lagi mong kakampi. Kahit saan, susupport kita sa lahat ng decisions mo sa buhay. And dadamahin kita sa lahat ng mga challenges. We are one now. We still have forever para gumawa ng mga memories.
I promise to love you with everything I have for all the days of my life. I love you, baby. See you at the altar.
Future just love me like only you can.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 2.5, and 3. Give a long kiss your mom. Mr. Joyce and Robbie Medjola.